In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share video on Zoom. To get started, make sure you're already in your Zoom meeting. On the meeting controls at the bottom of the screen, look for the green Share button. Click that to open the sharing window. This window is where Zoom organizes everything you can share, and it's divided into tabs to keep things simple. Next, switch over to the Advanced tab at the top of that window. The Advanced section gives you special options that are optimized for specific types of content. Instead of sharing your entire screen, which can be distracting and may include notifications or desktop clutter, the Advanced tab is designed to give you a cleaner, smoother experience for media. In the Advanced tab, choose the option labeled Video File. This is the best route for showing a video because Zoom handles the playback for you and automatically includes the video's audio for everyone in the meeting. It also helps keep the quality steady, so your audience sees and hears the clip the way you intend. After selecting Video File, a file browser will open on your computer. Navigate to the folder where your video is saved, select the video you want to show, and confirm your choice. Supported formats like MP4 and MOV work great. For the smoothest results, keep the file stored locally on your computer rather than on a cloud drive, and try to avoid extremely large 4K files if your connection is limited. Once you pick the file, Zoom will open a player window and start sharing that video to everyone in the meeting. You'll see familiar playback controls, and you can play, pause, or scrub along the timeline as needed. Your participants will see the video clearly and hear the audio through Zoom. They won't be able to control the playback on their end. A few quick tips to make this seamless. Give your audience a brief heads up before you press play so they're ready with their audio. It's smart to test a few seconds of the clip to confirm everyone can see and hear it clearly. Closing heavy background apps can help keep the playback smooth, and having a stable internet connection makes a noticeable difference. If you don't see the Advanced tab or the Video File option, updating your Zoom app often resolves it, and some organizations may have restrictions, so permissions can matter. And that's all there is to it. Click Share, go to the Advanced tab, select Video File, and choose your video from your computer. You're ready to present your content with clarity and confidence.